Today we're talking about fractions. We're actually not quite talking about fractions. We're talking about least common multiples, okay? So what is the least common multiple? Why do we need it? And how is it involved with fractions? Oftentimes, okay, you have to find a least common multiple to add or subtract fractions with uncommon denominators, right? So just a blanket statement, easy. In order to add and subtract fractions, the denominators must be matching. So what if they're not matching? 3/4 plus 1/2. What do? Okay, oftentimes, you have to find the LCM, the least common multiple. So let's look at that. The least common multiple of 4 and 2, let's look at 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That is with the 2's clearly, right? And then least common multiples, let's look at multiples of 4. 0, 4, 8, 12. What is the least common multiple? Here's a 4, here's a 4. Oh. So this is why least common multiples are important. Watch what I'm going to do. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4, right? Okay. So that would be, well, we can change that to 4, right? 2 times 2 equals 4. And then we have to do to the numerator what we do to the denominator. So 2 times 1 is what? Is 2. 1/2 equals 2 out of 4. So now we can say 3 plus 2 equals what? 3 plus 2 equals 5 and then over 4. 5 over 4 equals 1 and 1/4. Because we found the least common multiple, we can affect the fraction to give common denominators, and then we can add the fractions together. All right, so right here, let's take a look at 3 and 2. 0, 3, 6, 9. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Oh, look, 6. Here it is. So what does that look like on the fractions? That looks like multiply 3 times 2 and multiply 2 times 3. Okay, so I'm going to bring that back over here. 6. 2 times 2 is 4, all right? 2 times 2 is 4, and then here we're going to have 6 again. Marker's going out, sorry about that. 1 times 3 is 3. Okay, and so we're going to add these together. 4, 6 plus 3, 6. That's 7, 6. Awesome. All right. So let's find our least common multiples for these pairs of numbers. All right. And this is just practice, right? So we have to be able to find our least common multiples if we are interested in switching and adapting fractions to match each other. And you can always start with 0, right? You can start with 0 to make sure you get as far back as possible. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What is our least common multiple? Oh, look, it's 10. 10 is the first number that's matching, right? The smallest number that's matching from both columns. 8 and 4. All right, we'll just start with our zeros. 0, 4, 8. Oh, look, we're already there, right? 12, 16. 0, 8, 16, 24. Guys, it's so important. 20, 24. Look, 16 matches, 24 matches. It's important to notice least common multiple. We want the smallest number possible. That's why our 8s are the winner. 6 and 9, okay. 0, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. All right, we'll just keep going. 0, 9, 18, 27, 36. 36. It's awesome. That's way cool. All right, then least common multiple for 8 and 10. It's not 80. It's not 80. 0, 0, 0, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. 40. 10 times 4 is 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Boom. Right? Also, practicing your least common multiples, practicing counting by multiples will help you with your times tables. It's imperative, it's hugely important that you know your times tables, that you know them, that they're fast, that they're concrete in your head. Guys, hope this helps. Hope this gives you a better understanding of least common multiple, and then how to use them to affect fractions. So thanks, guys. Let me know what you have, what questions you have, and I'll be happy to help you.